Ever wondered what actually happens after your child support modification request gets approved? Let me break it down for you, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. First off, once the judge signs off on your new child support order, it officially replaces your old one. That means the payment amount and schedule you used before? Consider those old news. The modified order is what counts now, and both you and your co-parent are legally bound to follow it. Next, it's super important to make sure every part of that new order is followed to the letter. That includes any changes in how or where you make payments. If your payments go through the state disbursement unit, like most do in Texas, that process stays the same. You just pay the new amount. But here's the thing. A change doesn't happen overnight. It might take a few weeks for your employer or the state to update their records, so always double-check your pay stubs or receipts. If you notice any mistakes or missed payments, act fast. Even a simple mix-up can lead to enforcement actions or penalties, so it's best to stay on top of it. And remember, just because things changed doesn't mean future modifications are off the table. Life happens. If your situation changes again, you can always request another review. At Daniel Obeyday Law, we bring years of experience handling child support modification cases in Houston and the surrounding areas. As your trusted child support lawyer, we'll help you take control of your legal and financial responsibilities with confidence. Schedule a free consultation today to speak with an experienced child support lawyer who can make sure your modified order is correctly enforced. Visit www.expertsinfamilylaw.com.